should have taken the right tube. Nobody's moving. No one's moving. I hope I'm not screwed. This week is crazy. I'm gonna go live on Adorama's Instagram on Wednesday. We have to book a model, find a dress, get my gear together and everything for Wednesday, which it's looking like it's gonna rain, of course, but I hope we can be outside anyway. I also have another headshot session today. This is like 3 headshot sessions in 1 week, in the week that I need to like plan this shoot. And of course, all this other stuff is happening and I'm fresh off a plane from France and everything in the studio is a disaster. All right, got the 5DS. Basically, this guy wants a billboard of his headshot, and now I'm commuting to work, which consists of walking from my house to my studio with my peanut butter. At least it's not a mess. What? Perfect timing? You need me to do what?
I need you to look over this stuff for WD.
I have a headshot, and I have to pack, and I have to... All right.
We gotta do this.
All right.
And
Okay.
WPI staff weigh in on the emotional and
when I get down and have enough time to write a report in the middle of planning the shoot and doing this headshot and packing.
You do this to yourself.
I know.
You do this to yourself. You have nobody to blame but yourself.
I know. Good news, got that done. We got the headshot done. We've confirmed our model, and Kleinfeld's is letting me borrow a dress, so that's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna get a workout in before my consult call. Next up, we have to get the gear, all the gear. All right, this is Tico. This is my puppy. He's so blind and old. He's 17 years old. You pee everywhere, and you poop, and you stink. But we still love you. Welcome to my gear closet. Welcome to my gear mess, anyway. Oh, jeez. I think I'm gonna need a B10 to show golden hour. I need my CTO gels. I'm gonna need a reflector. What did you do? I am cooking my absolute favorite meal. It's called Empty the Fridge. Help you do what?
Paint the wall.
Paint the studio wall? That might be fun, actually. I like painting. Sitting down, confirming everyone for tomorrow. Oh, and putting together a little video. All this extra stuff. I gotta send out an email to point people to the Adorama TV video that I just did, all about shooting in harsh sunlight. It's all this behind the scenes stuff that drives me crazy. Not even that it drives me crazy, I actually enjoy doing it, but it's just so much stuff to do. After this craziness of this week, I get to go to Shutterfest. My nails are like, I think I got these done like 3 days ago. And then I realized I'm going live tomorrow and I haven't even told anybody yet. And people tend to like 24 hours notice of these things. So while I'm getting my nails done, I'm gonna have to make a promo for this so that Adorama can post it too, so that people know about it, because more views on the live is good too. This thing is disgusting. It's like painting time. Lit by magnetized Westcott photo flex panel. Alright, it's game day. I didn't pack last night because I was doing the psych wall and then I was too tired and whatever, but I'm gonna go pack now and then we're going to head into the city. Let's do it. I could be screwed. I could literally be here the next 3 hours if there's no bye. Again, I don't know if I should go to the hotel to check in anymore or if I should go straight to Kleinfeld's with all my stuff, somehow park my car down there instead of at the spot that I reserved near the hotel. This is what happens in New York. You don't know what kind of traffic you're gonna hit and it might completely screw up your day. And shoot. We're making time. Made it. Had to get my stuff. Check in the hotel and run. All right, looks like I am all set to go, and I ended up not being late. So we're going to go to Kleinfeld, pick up the dress, head over to Adorama, get a model dress, and just get rolling. This is gorgeous. I'm really excited for this Hayley Paige dress. Oh my God, look at this beading. So in case you're wondering, this is the proper way to carry a dress. Loop it and hook it. Ooh, puppies. Love the puppies. We're all set. Got the dress. I gotta show people the clips. This is what real modeling looks like. Glamour. All over the place. Oh, we gotta mic me.
Yeah.
Nice. Are you gonna come with us?
Maybe.
The real question though is Dr. Pepper or Mr. Pibb?
No, Dr. Pepper for sure.
Oh.
Wide angle lens, because everybody wants that in their face. All right, let's go. Let's do it. Not cold at all. Nothing's gonna break. It's gonna work perfectly. And we have Daniel Norton in case anything breaks. All right, second phone. We're on the second phone. Hopefully we can go live. Otherwise, this is gonna be really anticlimactic. All right, we're good. We're live. All right, this is Vanessa Joy at Vanessa Joy here on Instagram with Adorama, and we are going to make this very cold day here in New York City look like a beautiful sunny day. I want it to look warm, so I'm going to bring up my white balance to about 6,600. I'm going to stack 2 CTO gels on here. So we really caught the flare there. Look at this, guys. So it's just like catching the sun flare. We are going to get some like hot chocolate or something. How do you think it went?
It was lovely. We were cold, but we were there. We were in it.
It was
great.
good. Erwin, did we do okay?
Yes, we had some minor issues with signal, but thankfully.
Yeah, thankfully, T-Mobile to the rescue.
Forgot about this.
Kleinfeld's closes. I can't be stuck with this dress, so I have to actually run those 2 blocks back. Sorry, I'm inside level. Please be open. Please be open. Ah, yes. That's it. Shoot is done. Now I just have to hope the views come in. Whew. Hopefully I did a good job. I thought the pictures were okay. I felt like it was a much better job, honestly, than the YouTube video that I recently did. So I'm really happy about that. And I explained everything in under 13 minutes. So I hope it becomes like a good reference. Like people will keep going back to it and like trying to do it themselves, and it'll be something that's quick and easy to do. Headshot session tomorrow. One thing done, now I'm doing the next. Oh, you thought we were done? Nope. Every time I do a shoot like this, I have to promote it, because if I don't promote it and it flops, I don't think I'm going to be invited to do another one. We made stories on Instagram, my email list. Profoto ended up reposting the photo and on their stories, so that was amazing. I even put this on Instagram in hopes of getting as many numbers as quickly as possible. You can see how many views it has now by clicking in the link in the description below, and hey, check out the video for yourself. A lot of people got a lot from it. I'm going to consider that a success, along with almost 500 comments, and most of them were good. Not all of them, most of them. Thanks for joining me on this behind the scenes.